Okay guys, so for my streaming device of choice, for the past 6 years, the NVIDIA Shield's been my go-to device. But I thought to myself about a month ago, could I use something better than my NVIDIA Shield? And the answer is yes. It's none other than my PC, folks. Yes, I am using my PC as my main streaming device. And this honestly for me makes that experience so much better, folks. The NVIDIA Shield wasn't a bad streaming device, but at the end of the day, it's not really a computer. I was thinking, what if I plug my PC into my Yamaha receiver just up there for me to use it as my main streaming device? And honestly guys, the experience is great. I can watch YouTube, I can access my Kodi server, watch all my movies on the Kodi server. And if you're wondering what I'm using to control the PC, it's this wireless FIRESTICK keyboard, folks. As you can see there, it's even got a trackpad on it, so I'm able to move the pointer on the screen, folks. And this, for £30, is a very good keyboard, folks. I've got to admit. Yeah, as you can see, the experience is just so much better in my opinion, even when using an NVIDIA Shield. So really, I'd say in 2025, going into 2026, if you've got a PC and a TV's in the same room, why not use your PC as a streaming device? Honestly guys, it's a game changer.